If you want to keep your iPhone secure, turning on a passcode is one of the most important things you can do. It protects your data, apps, and personal information in case your phone is lost or stolen. Here's how to set it up. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode, depending on your device. If prompted, enter your current passcode. If you don't have one set yet, you'll go straight to the next step. Now, tap on Turn Passcode On. You'll be asked to enter a new passcode. By default, this is a 6-digit code, but you can customize it. Tap on Passcode Options if you want to switch to a 4-digit code, a custom numeric code, or even an alphanumeric password for extra security. Once you choose your preferred option, enter your passcode. Then enter it again to confirm. After that, your passcode will be successfully activated. Now, every time you unlock your iPhone, or when Face ID or Touch ID isn't available, you'll need to enter this passcode. You can also scroll through this menu to customize additional settings, like requiring the passcode immediately or allowing access to certain features from the lock screen. And that's it. Your iPhone is now more secure with a passcode enabled.